So here we have the Discovery One, the new Keith Monks record cleaner, adopting the same principles as the classic Keith Monks, but based around a proprietary DJ turntable. We have an automatic vacuum that is activated by moving the arm, and that scans across the record from the inside outwards, just in the same way as it does with the regular Monks. That's microswitch controlled. One of the big advantages with that is that the same microswitch shuts the machine off at the end of the clean. So you can do your 10-15 second scrub, move the arm across, and then go down the pub, go and watch a game, anything you like. You don't have to keep manning the machine like you do on the
that's great. That's great.
So we've still got the Mini Cooper windshield washer pump here that we've used. We're still sourcing that from the same factory in Coventry that supplied Austin in the 60s. That secretes fluid through the classic Keith Monks brush block, and that's our proprietary Discovery 12 brush, just as we use on the big machine. Would you like me to take you through it?
Yeah, that's.
So you put that down on there. You apply the fluid to the washer pump like that. That then disperses the fluid onto the record. It's a lot slower rotation using the proprietary turntable, so it's a lot less messy than the big machine. Then, having washed the record, we move the suction arm over to the centre. That automatically activates the arm drive motor and also the vacuum pump. As you can hear, it's very, very quiet. It's a medical grade unit. And that scans across the record from the centre outwards, following the centrifugal movement of the fluid, just so it doesn't miss a drop. Like on the professional machine, we have a thread, special nylon braided weave that's very soft but resilient. That's fed out, automatically fed out by the movement of the arm, and the slack is vacuumed away with the used fluid. And that cushions the nozzle off the record, minimising the contact and creating an airspace so that it maximises the suction.
Okay, where does the fluid go?
Fluid goes into a waste container which sits alongside the clean fluid container in this compartment here. You see the white tube over in the waste jar here. That holds a float switch, which if you forget to empty the waste jar, it trips a relay, pulls the plug on the power, and you get, if I could point you out to the front there, you get a neon indicator light to tell you what's happened there.
Okay, and the cost of this is?
$24.95 for the manual brush, which you use with a bottle like you do with most cleaners.
Right.
$29.95 buys you the complete system with the classic Keith Monks brush, the Mini Cooper windshield washer pump, and the clean fluid jar. You can buy this as a retrofit kit for maybe $700. If you wanted to buy the basic machine now, you get fed up of doing the manual cleaning, then you're not left behind. You can buy the kit afterwards. It takes a couple of minutes to clean.
Fantastic, and let's watch it go up.
That will scan all the way over to there. I can just speed that up for you. When it reaches that point, then it will shut itself down.
Excellent.